In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect UniSwap to Trust Wallet. We'll start by getting Trust Wallet set up correctly in your browser, because that's the foundation you need to seamlessly connect to UniSwap afterward. Begin by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Trust Wallet. Look for the official result that reads Best Crypto Wallet for Web3, NFTs, and DeFi Wars Trust, and make sure the domain is the authentic trustwallet.com site. Clicking the correct official link helps you avoid imposter pages and keeps your assets safe. On the Trust Wallet website, you'll see options for the mobile app and the browser extension. Since we're preparing to connect with UniSwap on desktop, choose the extension route, click Download, then select Chrome as your browser. On the Chrome Web Store page, click Add to Chrome and confirm the installation. Give it a moment to finish. Once installed, the Trust Wallet extension will be available in your browser so you can access it whenever you need it. When the extension opens, you'll be prompted to review and agree to the terms. Check the box to agree and proceed. Next, you'll see two paths. I already have a wallet or create new wallet. Pick the one that applies to you. If you already have a wallet, choose the import option and follow the prompts to bring it in securely. If you're creating a new one, choose create new wallet and carefully go through the setup. You'll be shown a recovery phrase during this process. This phrase is the key to your funds, so store it offline, keep multiple secure backups, and never share it with anyone. No legitimate support team will ever ask for it. After you've completed setup or import, your Trust Wallet extension is ready. At this point, you've done the work that enables dApp connections. With the wallet live in your browser, connecting to apps like UniSwap follows the standard Connect Wallet flow you'll see on those sites. You'll select Trust Wallet and approve the connection in the extension. From here on, swaps and interactions happen through your wallet with clear prompts so you can verify actions before confirming. That's it. You searched for the official Trust Wallet site, chose the browser extension, installed it in Chrome, agreed to the terms, and either imported an existing wallet or created a new one. With that setup complete, you're prepared to connect to UniSwap confidently and securely whenever you're ready. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep your recovery phrase private and your device up to date for the best security.